Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun Halloween video, I'll be showing you how to draw a zombie Minecraft surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Minecraft zombie surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to take my paper, I'm going to line up the corners, and I'm going to give it a nice fold right down the middle. This way it looks like a little birthday card. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing, and I always like turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin on the top here. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to start by drawing a line that's just going to come straight up here. Then I'm going to leave some space, and then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come straight up here, about the same height. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come straight across, and it's going to connect these two lines. Next, let's draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to draw another line that's just going to come straight down, same length. Then let's just connect these two lines. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then right here I'm going to make a line that's just going to come down. Now let's make the hair on our zombie. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a line that's going to come up a little bit. I'm going to go over. We're going to come up again. Then we're going to go over. Next we'll come down, and then over, to make the hair of our little Minecraft zombie. Now let's make the eyes. So to start off with the eyes, let's begin by making a rectangle. So I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, it's going to come over, it's going to go down, and then over. We'll do that again. We're just going to go down, we're going to come over, we're going to go down, and then back over. For the nose, let's just draw a line right in between these two rectangles. Then we're going to go down, over, and then up. Now let's make the shirt of our zombie. So to make the shirt, we're just going to make a line that's just going to go down. We're going to come over. We're going to go down and over again. Then we're going to come up, over, and then up. Now, let's make the hands of the zombie. So to start off with the hands, let's begin by making a square. So we're just going to draw a square right out here. So I'm going to make a square here. And then over here I'm going to make a square. So let's do the same thing. Let's just draw a square on each side. Next, I'm going to draw this line right down to here, kind of where the head and the body meet. And we'll do the same thing here. Just draw this line down. I'm going to make this line come over. I'm going to make this line come over. And then we'll only see a little bit of this. We'll just make a little line here. And then we'll make a little line right here. Next, right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, over, and down again. And we'll connect it. Same thing here, we'll come down and in here. Now, once we have this drawn, we want to open this up and draw the inside. Now, to start off with this, let's begin by making this line come down a little bit, and we're going to make this line come down a little bit. Then we're going to make this line come up, and we're going to make this line come up. Now, right across here, let's just make some kind of little shapes. So we're just going to kind of make these different size little shapes to make it look like our Minecraft zombie's head just kind of broke apart. Then let's do the same thing here. Let's just bring this line over and down. And then we're just going to kind of make these same little shapes right across here and just kind of connect it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a couple little shapes kind of right behind here. So just like some little ones right behind here, just to kind of make it look like there's other pieces. And just so we can kind of see the difference, I'm just going to color these in real quick. Let's just kind of make it look like there are little extra pieces kind of behind there. We'll do the same thing here. We'll just kind of make some extra little shapes right around here, just to make it look like there's extra little pieces kind of behind there. And we're just going to go ahead and color this in. Now our next step is to make the brain. So to start off with the brain, let's begin by making a square. So I'm going to make a line down here, and then a line down here. Then let's make a line across, and another line across. We're going to make a line that comes down at an angle, line that comes down at an angle, and then a line across here. Next, we're going to draw a straight line down. And then right here, we're going to go down, over, and up. And then let's go down, over, and up. Then right here, let's make a straight line across. Then over here, we're going to go over and down, and then same thing here, over and down, over and down. Now we want to make some little kind of like block pieces that are flying off of here. So we're just going to go ahead and make some little squares, or even like little geometric shapes like this, kind of all around here. So I'm just going to put them in some different spots, and we'll try to put like an odd number of them. So we'll just kind of make a little odd number like that. And then let's just go ahead and make some little lines that are kind of coming out of here, so it looks like they're really kind of shooting out of here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Minecraft zombie surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we've got our little Minecraft zombie coming at us, and then when we open it, we can see that his head's coming apart and the brain is popping out. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.